Hey, it's Nax, and I was at PAX West, and this year, MSI was the major PC player that had a booth. They showed a lot of exciting new stuff, including an awesome limited edition notebook, a special edition desktop, their new handheld, a motherboard refresh on some of their models, and we'll also hear from some of their team.
We just got settled in, and let me show you guys a quick room tour. So here we have the bathroom. Hi. Bathtub with the mirror. And then the closet. Bed. I have my little workstation right here. I've already started setting up my battery chargers. And look who else is here. Hello, say hi to the camera. They even have a cute little dog bed. And the bowls already came with the room. And this is the view. So last time I attended PAX, there were some exhibits over in that building, the black one. And then when you go here and look over to the right, you see the convention center. So that's just that's the tip of the convention center right over there, and it pans all the way to the other block on the right side. But yeah, I'm excited for PAX West this year. What do you think about that, Billy? Good morning. Good morning.
I was working on.
Hey guys, what's up? We're here right now at the MSI booth for PAX West 2025. Let's check out what they have.
So the Prestige Ukiyo version really stuck out to me that I asked them if they could take it out because the colors look really amazing close up. Come here. So if you look closely, you can definitely tell the different layers of the engraving and the colors. They look so good. This is the first of a few in their Artisan series. It will be bundled with a mouse pad, a badge holder, and a sleeve for your laptop, and there's only going to be 2,000 units worldwide, but the US will have 700 units. You get a 13.3-inch gorgeous OLED screen. You can pair it with up to an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, along with an Intel Arc GPU 140V. There's a 5-megapixel webcam with a physical shutter. It weighs just 2.2 pounds and is just 0.7 inches thick. Who do you think is the most serious?
Kelvin for sure. Yeah.
Kelvin's the most serious?
He's the most serious. You just look at his face during the day and you're like, man, this guy looks serious all the time.
That's it. That's the reason.
Kelvin's a very serious guy.
Who is the most serious in the team
Serious. Kelvin? Maybe
Kelvin?
even Kelvin?
Is the most serious?
Yeah, he's grumpy. Also, he's so grumpy.
He's so grumpy.
Yeah, don't tell him. And he was always like a poker face.
Poker face.
Yeah, he was like poker face.
He's like work mode for everyone.
Yeah.
So here we have the special edition, the MLG edition, which is coming out soon.
It's got a full array, GPU, motherboard, liquid cooler, PSU. It's beautiful and it looks super nice, and it's a different color than the usual, either black or white builds. We have it in red this time.
I'm really excited for this one because personally I love how MLG looks, and her little companion Roarbo is adorable. Now, if she looks familiar, you're not crazy. The last time we saw her was for a special drop of the 40 series cards. You can get her right now in the 5070 Ti version. You can also order the motherboard as well right now, but the case and peripherals will come at a later time.
Now, if you get the entire lineup, meaning the case, motherboard, and everything else, MSI will also give you this limited edition statue.
And what's a product that you're most excited that's going to be coming out soon?
The new Max boards that we have showcased here.
We have here their exhibits of motherboards, and if you're an overclocker, I have good news for you because they have these max versions of their motherboards, which will be coming out soon. So the new max versions of the motherboards will have a couple of new features, one of them being the 64 megabyte BIOS ROM, which is a larger BIOS ROM capacity that allows the motherboard to support next level CPU upgrades with better compatibility. They also have this pin-safe design for the back of the motherboard where they solder off these pointy parts so that you can avoid prickling yourself accidentally. I'm also pretty happy that the Tomahawk is getting a max version because this one's a personal favorite of mine because you get the best bang for your buck. What's the best product for you? Or what is your favorite?
My favorite would be the Claw 8 AI Plus.
I want to get a Claw.
The Claw 8 AI Plus. But the one I love the most is probably the Claw.
The Claw!
Oh, yeah.
Everyone loves
The
that.
Claw,
Like,
yeah.
you're literally the sixth person that said that. Everyone
Really?
mentioned the Claw. What's up, guys? So I have here in my hand Claw 8 Polar Tempest Edition.
This is literally a PC shaped like a handheld. It's got an 8-inch 120Hz touchscreen with variable refresh rate support. It's running Windows 11. It's got an M.2 slot for whatever memory capacity you like. It even has 2 Thunderbolt 4 connections. And I also like that it looks a lot better than some of the previous Claw 8 iterations. And not only does it look better, it plays really well. I'll be honest, early versions when I tried it out last year were really powerful, but they always seem to be playing catch up with things like drivers or optimization, and back then I thought the experience was average compared to all the other handhelds. But now, wow, it's night and day. Playing games was super smooth, no lag, no stutter the entire time I played, everything felt top notch. I mostly played Cyberpunk on it and it ran like a champ. The one other thing I noticed on this handheld compared to other handhelds is that it felt much cooler, which can only mean that it has really efficient cooling system design.
Where the fuck is Jackie? Who is the jolliest then in the team? The one who would light up a room even on the most stressful of days?
Eva, our social media team member, she's amazing, and I think she has a good, jolly vibe.
That would probably be Eva.
Definitely Aminta or Eva.
Either Aminta or Eva.
They're just so happy-go-lucky, and they bring a vibe to the office where, like, it's not doom and gloom, not, you don't feel corporate. It's just, they're so happy.
Moving on to the pre-build that they have here on display for PAX West, we have here the Vision Elite, and I love, first and foremost, that it's in a Maestro case because I personally built on this case, and it's a beautiful case.
It can sport up to a 5090, and since it's Intel Gamer Days, we're looking at a Z890 chipset with an Ultra Core 9, so it's the latest and highest spec Intel PC you can get.
Now, this one right here, I believe you can get a very good deal right now, and that's 30% off. It's the Codex R2.
This one has the Intel Core Ultra 7 265, and you can pair it with up to a 5070 GPU.
So who is the hardest worker in MSI?
On site, I would say Ann. Ann's a really hard worker. Yeah.
I would say probably Ann. Ann, yeah, she is a very, very hard worker. There's a lot on her plate. The notebook team honestly does a phenomenal job with what they do.
Oh, I'm gonna give that to Ann because she's always working. Very, very hard worker.
I actually had 4 people tell me that you are the hardest worker in the team.
And with that, I visited Ant's notebook section of the booth where I spent time with literally every single notebook they had. Naturally, I spent the most time on the top of the line Titan with its customizable color trackpad, mechanical keyboard, Intel Core Ultra 9, and 5090. After that, I checked their component cabinet one last time to take a final look at all their GPUs and peripherals. One thing that stood out to me was their limited edition Lucky the Dragon memory kits, which look super cute. They are limited to just 100 units, with each unit consisting of one pair of 16GB sticks. Before we wrap up this one, I had one important question for the PAX West team.
Who would you say, is the best dancer in the team?
I would say Cliff.
Cliff.
I've seen Cliff move a little bit back in the day. Yeah, back in the day.
Cliff. I'll give it to Cliff.
Cliff, almost everyone said that you are the best dancer in the team. Everyone said that Cliff is the best dancer. You have the vibe, like it seems like you could like shake that ass. So no sample for us today?
Oh man, you are really twisting my fingers. The only time people have seen me shake ass is either at a wedding, when I'm drunk, or when we're at a party.
Oh.
Never at work. Very inappropriate.
And on that note, that wraps up the PAX West 2025 MSI Booth Tour. Thanks so much for sticking around. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.